Friends, in this video I will explain the use of NOT function and IFERROR functions. Both the functions are logical function in Excel. I have a data in table 2. If I use NOT function, it will simply convert into the negative or opposite. Say is equal to a NOT, then first bracket close, enter. You see that it is simply opposite. Similarly, in column 1 and column 2 there is two numbers 10 and 20. The logical argument is 10 is greater than 20. Is it true or false? By using this formula, NOT function, I will say NOT, and then I will select the H5 column, enter, greater than I5. You see it is true. That is, the result is just opposite. Similarly, here in column 1 is 20 and column 2 is 20, both are equal, but the result will be false. You see, is equal to NOT this is equal to this, bracket close, press enter, it shows it is false. Similarly, here I will type NOT function, first bracket, and then I will select this cell and bracket close and press enter. You see it's true. So, to convert into the negative or opposite logical arguments, we use the NOT function. Next one is IFERROR function. I have a mixed data in table 1, say text, number, etc. By multiplying this B4 with 1, B5 by D, and by these formulas we see the results column. In results column some errors appears. To remove this errors message, apply IFERROR function. Then I will type here is equal to IFERROR, first bracket start. The result column is here. I will select this cell, then the argument is if error appears, then it will show the space or no error, then inverted comma, close and bracket close. You see no error message appears. Similarly, if I use IFERROR function, IFERROR, then select this cell, then comma. Now I want, if error message appears, it will simply show error. Then I will type here error within inverted comma and then bracket close and enter. You see the error message appears. If I divide by any number, you see 10 is appears. But if I again divide by some text, you see the error message appears. Similarly, is equal to if error, first bracket, then select the value. Now I want, if error message appears in results, it will show 0. Then I will type here 0, then invert within inverted comma and close the bracket and press enter. You see the error message shows is 0. If I change the value here by any number, say 500, the results appears number. Again, if I use some text, say text, you see error message appears here and result is 0. If error message is used where if required the argument that is checked for an error, the value to return if the formula evaluate to an error. You see error message will display in this way. That's all about the logical functions not and if error. Hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.